guys, welcome to my channel here. My name is Jenny. I am a hairstylist as well as a clean beauty coach. I am so excited to talk with you guys today about the 2020 holiday gift guide for her that I have created just for you. I know that with the holidays quickly approaching, sometimes you have that woman on your list that you're like, I have no idea what to get for her, and you're racking your brain, or you're that person, everyone's like, what do you want for Christmas? And you're like, I don't know, I don't need anything. So I have just given you, it's not a huge list, but just enough of just to give you some ideas, but these are my favorites. And I broke it into 3 different categories for you. So number 1 is hair, because that is my jam. Number 2, health and wellness, and 3, books. So let's start with hair. You may have seen me post earlier last week about this beach waver. It's like this ion titanium triple barrel beach waver. It is amazing. So it helps to give you those gorgeous beach waves that everyone's always going for. Similar to what my natural goes with, but enhance it even more. It's my favorite. I can do my whole head in less than 10 minutes, and I have long, thick hair. Okay, so that is amazing. Second up, let's talk about the Revlon blow brush. So if using the blow dryer in one hand and using your round brush in the other hand, trying to get behind your head just does not work for you, you are not alone, because that is a struggle that many women face. And that's why this Revlon blow brush is amazing and a gift that you just need to have, because it's a round brush and a blow dryer all in one. So no more having to like put your arm back and put your other arm back and creating chaos. You can just use this one tool all in one. Just bonus, when you do use that, you always want to make sure that you're cooling your sections before you move on to the next one, just to hold your style. So next up, where are my ladies that constantly get that frizzy hair and cannot figure out what to do? Raise your hand. So you want to try a satin pillowcase. A satin pillowcase is actually going to cause less friction against the cuticle of your hair, which in result, when that happens, you get frizz. So the satin pillowcase is a must for you. And then I have my all-time favorite round brush. It's from the brand Olivia Garden. It is the only round brush that I use in the salon. I don't know why. I like the grip of the handle. I like that the hair doesn't get caught in the handle and rip out. I love the bristles. They're not too firm, not too soft. They are amazing. I get asked about those all the time in the salon as well. Next up is the hair towel turban. Girls, this thing is amazing. I remember when I first got one and I was like, oh, I don't really know what this is. I actually had to YouTube it to figure out how to use this towel turban, because all you do is wrap your hair in it, twist it around, and the little button in the back holds it. So you actually need to blow dry less time, because it's going to take some of the moisture out, and you're going to use less heat, and you're not going to go to bed with sopping wet hair if you wash your hair at night. So this is a must. My daughter and I are literally obsessed with this. I've had to buy more because we keep stealing each other's. So it's amazing. Okay guys, so now let's talk about your health and wellness category. So I am obsessed with my neck and shoulder massager. It goes around your neck here. You put your arms in the sleeve, and you have 3 different settings. You have heat settings, you can reverse the way the rollers move, and you can do it here, and then you can go all the way down your back. So that is a must, especially nowadays with everyone sitting at their computers, or even me with my hands always up at work. Love it. It is amazing. My favorite. Again, tell everyone about this. Okay, so for my fitness girls, you definitely need to have a foam roller. So think of giving yourself a deep tissue massage just in your living room. That is what a foam roller is going to do. Now, it's maybe not be as relaxing. It's kind of like a good hurt, because it's getting that lactic acid out of your muscles, those muscles that have been working hardcore. So you need a foam roller. I really like my long one. I have one that fits pretty much my neck to my tailbone. Love it, because I can also put my neck over the back of it if I need to stretch my neck out. And then with that also are these resistant bands. And I have everything tagged below. In the description, you'll get linked to my blog post that has links to every single one of these items that I'm talking about today. So you can click on it, purchase, no thought about it. resistance bands. These are a thicker one that kind of have like a cloth feeling to them. I've used the ones before that like the rubber, so when you put them on, they just roll up and kind of dig into your muscles and do nothing. I love these thicker ones that are kind of like I said, it's kind of like a cloth. They're amazing. They stay in place. They don't roll on. They don't get stuck. Love them. Those I'm new to. That's what I just tried. And I was like, these are amazing. Where have they been all my life? And then essential oils. If you are somebody who loves essential oils, because that is me, I love the ones from Jubilee of Wellness because I know and trust Michelle, who actually helps to make these oils. So I know they come from a pure trusted source and they are a pure oil. So there's a big difference between essential oils that you can get cheap and then the good high quality ones. So these are my all-time favorite. I cannot wait for my Christmas blended scent to arrive in the mail soon. So those are my ones for that. And now for my book lovers, I have two for you, but these ones were kind of life-changing for me. So I love the book Untamed from Glennon Doyle. Huge, huge book, life-changing. Me, all my girlfriends, my sister, my best friends, all talk about this book. We love it. I mean, it really did change my life. Love that book. Second one is Miracle Morning. So if you are somebody that struggles getting up in the morning, or if you feel like there's so much to do in a day and you feel like you don't get to accomplish anything, this book is a must for you. It helps you feel so accomplished with things throughout the day before 8 a.m. And I never thought that would be possible for me because I am not a morning person, but reading this book just kind of gave me that push. And then part of it too is reading within your miracle. So you set your miracle morning. So you set up a routine and part of it is reading. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm actually reading a book before 8 a.m. This is amazing. So these are some of my favorite things. I really put a lot of thought into what I wanted to share with you guys. And I hope that you find something on this list that will help to check off for one person that you're thinking of that you can't figure out what to get for her, or add to your wish list of things that you want. So comment below, let me know which one are you most excited to try, and have a great day.